In today's age of content creation, having a reliable, versatile, and efficient lighting setup is essential. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, or a content creator, the right lighting can make all the difference in your work. That's where the Lowel TOTA LED XL comes in. A versatile and durable lighting solution that promises to deliver powerful and consistent lighting in every situation. Now let's dig into some of the specs because the power of this light cannot be overstated. Its 216 LEDs produce an 11,200 lux at 3 feet. This makes it incredibly easy to fill an entire room with ambient light or even simulate daylight shooting through a window. What's more is that it only weighs 4 pounds and is 13.5 inches tall by 8 inches wide. That means the TOTA LED XL fits into tight spaces and is easy to handle. Now, typically high-power lighting can be large and cumbersome, so I found it quite handy to have one of these lightweight options on hand. I also find it convenient that these lights can easily be supported using lightweight stands, which are far less expensive than a typical C-stand and are sometimes easier to manage. Along with the TOTA XL, you're going to get 3 diffusers, one for each LED panel. You're also going to get a set of barn doors and a soft carrying case. However, I think my favorite component has to be the controller. If you're familiar with the TOTA LED floodlight, you're going to remember the excessive number of cables and connections it came with. It required you to go from an outlet to an AC adapter, and then the controller, and finally the fixture. The TOTA LED XL cleaned this whole situation up by housing the AC adapter and the control unit all in one box. This significantly reduces clutter and setup time. Now, at a glance, you're going to notice that the TOTA XL has a unique folding design. When closed, the LED panels are protected by the durable metal exterior. What I really love about the folding design is that it allowed me to adjust the beam angle in some pretty unique ways. I'm not familiar with any other light that can articulate in such a way. Now, as I mentioned before, you're going to get a set of barn doors with the light. They easily attach to either side of the fixture without any screws or locks. Simply click it on and you're good to go. As an added bonus, the barn doors have little clips on them to hold filters. This is a fantastic feature because this is a daylight balanced light. You will eventually want to use CTB or CTO in order to dial in the color temperature to fit the light in your scene. The TOTA XL features a CRI of 96 and a TLCI of 98. Needless to say, you're going to get accurate color rendition from them, which is typically where inexpensive low-end lighting falls short. Go ahead and shoot with confidence knowing that you're producing accurate color, but it's not just the color rendition that you can count on being accurate. You can also count on your audio being completely uninterrupted by the TOTA XL. On both the lighting fixture and the controller, there's a passive cooling system. That means no buzzing, no hissing. It was a pleasure shooting with these lights. The power of them is truly impressive. In a way, using them brought me back to the basics. At times I find myself using a lot of different light sources to produce the look I'm going for in my scene, which sometimes you have to do. However, the TOTA XL is a fantastic reminder that sometimes all you need is one really solid light, and maybe a few bounce boards. I truly appreciate you guys sticking around till the end. Make sure to leave a comment because we love hearing what you guys have to say. I'm Peter with B&H, and I'll see you in the next one.